Hello everyone, welcome back to Pandas EduTech. In our previous videos, we have revised the important named reactions of carbonyl compounds, amines, and phenols and diazonium compounds. If you haven't seen that videos, then I will put their links in description box. Today we will continue our NCERT named reaction series with some of the most important organic named reactions that are frequently asked in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and CBSE boards examinations. In this video, we will cover Williamson ether synthesis, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction, Woods reaction, fatigue reaction, and Woods fatigue reaction. First, Williamson ether synthesis. It is an important laboratory method for the preparation of symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers. In this method, an alkyl halide is allowed to react with sodium alkoxide. Ethers containing substituted alkyl groups, that is, secondary or tertiary, may also be prepared by this method. The reaction involves SN2 attack of an alkoxide ion on primary alkyl halide. Better results are obtained if the alkyl halide is primary. In case of secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, that is 2-degree or 3-degree alkyl halides, elimination process competes over substitution. If a tertiary alkyl halide is used, an alkene is the only reaction product and no ether is formed. As you can see that when sodium alkoxide is being reacted with an 1-degree alkyl halide, it will form ether. But when sodium alkoxide is being reacted with 3-degree alkyl halide, it will form alkene. Second, Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl iodides are often prepared by the reaction of alkyl chlorides or bromides with NaI, that is sodium iodide, in dry acetone, or DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide. As you can see that when alkyl chlorides reacted with NaI, that is sodium iodide, in the presence of acetone, chlorine is being replaced by iodine. In this reaction, no rearrangement takes place. It is an SN2 reaction. Iodide acts as nucleophile here. NaCl or NaBr thus formed is precipitated in dry acetone. Third, Schwarz reaction. The synthesis of alkyl fluorides is best accomplished by heating an alkyl chloride or bromine in the presence of a metallic fluoride such as AgF, Hg2F2, COF2 or SbF3. As you can see that when alkyl chlorides reacted with AgF, that is silver fluoride, chlorine is being replaced by fluorine. In this reaction, no rearrangement takes place. Fourth, Woods reaction. Alkyl halides on treatment with sodium metal in dry ether, that is free from moisture, solution give higher alkanes. It is a type of coupling reaction. It is useful for the preparation of alkanes having even number of carbon atoms, that is symmetrical alkanes. As you can see that when 2 moles of alkyl chlorides reacted with Na, that is sodium, in dry ether, halogen, that is chlorine, gets detached and an alkane is formed, leaving behind 2 moles of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Fifth, fatigue reaction. Aryl halides also give analogous compounds when treated with sodium in dry ether, in which 2 aryl groups are joined together. Just like Woods, in fatigue also chlorine gets detached and dibenzene is obtained, leaving behind 2 moles of HCl. Sixth, Wood's fatigue reaction. A mixture of an alkyl halide and aryl halide gives an alkyl arene when treated with sodium in dry ether. As you can see that chlorine atom gets detached from both alkyl and aryl part, and a mixture of both is formed, leaving behind 2 moles of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. That's it for today's revision of important organic named reactions, part 1. If you remember the reagents, reaction conditions, and products of these reactions, you will be able to solve a wide variety of organic chemistry questions with confidence in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and CBSE Boards examination. In part 2, we will cover more high-yield named reactions, including Ball-Steeman, Getterman-Koch, Rosenmund, Stephen, Itard reaction, haloform reaction, Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction, decarboxylation, and esterification, explained in the same simple and exam-oriented format. If you are following this named reaction series, make sure you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel Pandya's EduTech for part 2. Thank you.